Hello students, today we are going to learn English grammar topic degrees of comparison. Now what are comparison done? What is comparison done for what? Comparison is done on the basis of an adjective. Now you will ask what is an adjective? Okay, so let us understand those concepts which are related to such transformation of sentences, degrees of comparison, and what are the terms involved. First of all, let me tell you, comparison is done on the basis of adjective. Now, what is an adjective? An adjective is a word which describes a noun, or in other words, you can say it gives more information about a noun. Noun के बारे में, now what is a noun? कोई भी naming word, name of a person, name of a place, name of a thing. Any noun, when we write and we give extra information, so then the word which gives extra information, that is called an adjective. See this example, tall building. Now building is a noun, word tall gives extra information about this noun, so tall is an adjective. Smart boy, dirty road, ugly animal, wide road. So now if you see here, tall, smart, dirty, ugly, wide, these are the words which give extra information about the nouns. So these underlined words, they are called adjectives. Fine. What is an adjective? Now see, adjectives can be written in 3 degrees for their comparison. जैसे verbs कैसे होता है, go, went, gone, see, saw, seen, 3 forms में, वैसे ही adjectives भी they are written in 3 degrees. Take for an example, easy is an adjective. Easy, easier, easiest. Fat, fatter, fattest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Short, shorter, shortest. So generally we add er or est at the end to convert from positive to comparative, from comparative to superlative. Generally we add er or est. But sometimes they are irregular. How? See these examples. Good is not gooder, but it is good, better, best. Bad is not badder, baddest, but it is bad, worse and worst, much, more, most. Also sometimes we don't add er or est, but we add more or most. Take for an example, intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Charming, more charming, most charming. Courageous, more courageous, most courageous. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. So we add more or most to convert from positive to comparative and comparative to superlative. More and most we add. Now why am I telling you all these 3 forms of adjective? Because when you have to do degrees of comparison, you will have to use these forms, positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree adjectives. You have to know. If you don't know these words, then you will not be able to convert sentence from positive to comparative or superlative. So that is why you have to know what is an adjective or what are their 3 words in all those different degrees. So if you don't know these degrees, then you will not be able to convert. So these list you would have read it in 5th, 6th standards or lower standard ka books, you can refer where it is already written, or over a practice you will learn. Now see how it is used. Now if you don't want to compare a quality or an adjective, but simply you want to give extra information about somebody, like boy, but I am not showing boy, I am saying Raju is a tall boy. Tall is what? An adjective. I am just giving an adjective without comparing with anyone. When I am not doing any comparison, it is positive degree. Raju is tall. But if I find 2 boys, okay, then I start comparing who has more height. So the moment I start comparing could be with one person. So if I compare with one person, it becomes comparative degree. So I will write Sunil is taller than Raju. Now he is Sunil. Who is taller? Sunil is taller than Raju. The moment I see 2 objects, 2 things, both having same quality, then I start comparing. So when comparison is done with one person, we call it sentence is it comparative degree, and we write this tall ka taller. So Sunil is taller than Raju. Now case comes when we have to compare with more than one person. Maybe a group of people, group of children, group of object, or maybe two or more than two. Okay. So in that case we use superlative degree form. Like when comparison with more than one person, then we use superlative degree. So now see, if you see this boy and these group of boys, he is tallest amongst all. So we will say Ram is the tallest boy in the class. So what did I use? EST form. If I don't compare, simply I'll give an adjective tall. But if I compare with one person, taller. If I compare with more than one person or thing, then it will be superlative form. So this is how it is used, adjective. Now let us learn how to convert sentences from one degree to another. Now you will be given a sentence, you will be probably be asked to convert from positive to comparative or comparative to superlative, like this. So you have to understand how it is to be changed. But for that you will have sentences of three types. Now let us see first type of sentences where comparison is in a group. See an example. Sachin is the best batsman in the team. Now the moment you get a sentence, you will hunt for an adjective कि क्या adjective use किया उसमें. Now if you see best is an adjective used, then you have to decide positive form है, comparative form है कि superlative form है. Of course EST third form है. And one thing let me tell you, हमेशा superlative degree के पहले we put the. Always superlative degree takes the with it. Sachin is the best batsman in the team. The moment you see superlative form, you come to know that sentence is in superlative degree. Now what we have to do is to convert into comparative and positive degree. Now if you remember adjectives, good, better, best. So positive degree में adjective will be good, comparative degree में adjective will be better. But you have to ensure that you don't only change the adjective, but you don't have to change the meaning also. Sentence का meaning भी same होना चाहिए. Meaning should not change. You have to change the adjective, but at the same time you have to take care that meaning should not change. So how it can be done? Let's see. Sachin is best comparative form. We used better. Okay. Also the we will skip. Why? Because the is used only in superlative form. Comparative form में use नहीं होता है. तो Sachin is better. Now comparative degree says you have to compare with one person. तो कौन से person के साथ compare करोगे? We don't have any other name. So what do we write? Sachin is better than any other batsman in the team. I compared with one person, but did I write the name? No. I wrote any other. Sachin is better than any other batsman in the team. यानी I change the sentence from superlative to comparative without changing the meaning. So you have to keep in mind the best के जगह पे better, and here you have to write any other. Now same sentence if I have to convert into positive degree, it will be no other batsman in the team is as good as Sachin. Now if you see adjective good, better, best. ठीक है, adjective change किया. Another thing which I changed is यहाँ पे any other, and here I put no other. No other batsman in the team is as good as Sachin. So this makes it positive. So whatever words I have underlined, you can see these are the changes you will have to make when you convert from superlative to comparative or positive, like that. Let's take one more example. Bhim was the strongest Pandavas. Okay, the first thing what you will do is you will hunt for an adjective. कौन सा adjective है यहाँ पे? Strongest. The strongest. यानी this is superlative degree. Okay, so now what we have to do is to convert into comparative and positive. So what changes you will make in adjective? Stronger, strong. See this. Bhim was stronger than any other Pandavas. Same way like we did it here. What did I add is any other, so that I compare with one person. Positive degree will be no other Pandava was as strong as Bhim. Strong, stronger, strongest. I change the adjective, and also these words I change so that meaning does not change. So these changes you have to keep it in mind. That is why I have underlined. One more example for your practice. Mount Everest is the tallest mountain in the world. Now what is an adjective here? The tallest. The tallest tells it is superlative degree. Now if I have to convert into comparative, Mount Everest is taller. Tallest का पहले तो लिखना पड़ेगा taller. Then I have to compare with one mountain, so than any other mountain in the world. Like here we did same way. Structure remains the same. No other mountain in the world is as tall as Mount Everest. So if you see any other, no other, same changes I have done, and adjective is changed from tall to taller, tallest. Okay, so this was type 1 when comparison is done in a group. Is it okay? Now let's learn type 2. Now type 2 also it is group only, but there will be a slight change. Now see this example. Rose is one of the most beautiful flowers. Now if you see, instead of only the most beautiful, here one word is added, one of the. Okay. One of the. It makes a slight change in the meaning. What does this mean? Ki rose is one of the most beautiful flowers means there are few other flowers also which are beautiful like rose. It is not the only one. So there is slight change in the meaning. So that is why comparative positive will also have little change apart from adjective. Now see, rose is most beautiful की जगह पे लिखेंगे हम लोग more beautiful, but then any other की जगह पे हमको लिखना पड़ेगा many other flowers. Why many other? Because here it is written one of the most. One of the most tells that rose is one of the most, यानी still there are few flowers which are like rose only, they are beautiful. That is why I cannot write any other, but I have to write many other. So be careful, if it is written one of the, so here you will write many other. Very few flowers are as beautiful as rose. Why did I write very few instead of no other? Because here one of the makes it like there are few flowers which are beautiful like rose. So adjective we change from beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful, जो प्रीवियस टाइप के जैसे, बट यहाँ पे एनी अदर की जगह पे मैनी अदर लिखना पड़ेगा, यहाँ पे नो अदर की जगह पे वेरी फ्यू लिखना पड़ेगा. लेट्स टेक वन मोर एग्जाम्पल. माई ब्रदर इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंटेलिजेंट बॉयज ऑफ हिज एज. नाउ अगेन इफ यू सी वन ऑफ द मोस्ट, it is superlative degree because it says the most intelligent, but the moment you see one of the, so this type 2 it becomes, so we will make many other and very few we will add. So my brother is more intelligent than many other boys of his age. We cannot write here any other, but we have to write many other. Positive degree will be very few boys of my brother's age are as intelligent as he. So see, adjective is changed from intelligent to more intelligent, most intelligent. But here many other, why? Because of this one of the most. Many other, and here very few. This is type 2. Now if you see type 1 and type 2 में क्या difference है? Let's see. One example I have written in type 1 and type 2 together so that you understand better. Mount Everest is the tallest mountain in the world. Okay, the tallest. Here it is not written one of the, but same sentence if it is written Mount Everest is one of the tallest mountain in the world. See, it makes a difference one of the लिखा है या नहीं लिखा है. अगर नहीं लिखा है तो here it will be any other, but here it will be many other. Okay, here it will be no other, here it will be very few. These are the changes. Mount Everest is the tallest mountain in the world. Comparative will be Mount Everest is taller than any other mountain in the world. No other mountain in the world is as tall as Mount Everest. This is positive degree. But there will be a slight change if there is one of the. Mount Everest is one of the tallest mountain in the world. Mount Everest is taller than many other mountains in the world. This is comparative, and positive will become very few mountains in the world are as tall as Mount Everest. Now only this change, any other, many other, no other, very few, you have to remember. How will you know? By seeing whether one of the लिखा है कि नहीं लिखा है. There is no other change in type 1 and 2 type sentence. Fine. Now let's come to type 3 sentences. Now what is in type 3? Comparison is between two nouns. In this type we will have sentence only in positive and comparative, but not superlative. as comparison is done only between two people. I told you, when comparison is done in a group, then type 1 or type 2. But when we compare only two people, so we cannot convert into superlative because only two people are involved. तो we cannot compare with more than one, तो superlative में possible नहीं है. So these types of sentences we can convert only from positive to positive to comparative and comparative positive, not in superlative. Now let me tell you the rule. Interchange the position of two nouns being compared. Then if it is affirmative sentence, convert into negative sentence and vice versa. यानी अगर sentence positive में है तो उसको negative में करेंगे, अगर negative में है तो positive करेंगे, so that meaning does not change. Why? Because we have to interchange the position of nouns. Let's see example, you will understand better. Seema is more beautiful than Rima. Now if you see, there are two people, two noun, Seema and Rima. Okay, comparison is between two of them. It says Seema is more beautiful than Rima. Okay, now first thing I will do is interchange the position of noun. यानी रीमा को इधर लाएंगे, सीमा को इधर लाएंगे, तो इट विल बी रीमा इज नॉट एज ब्यूटिफुल एज सीमा. यानी अफर्मेटिव को क्या किया, नेगेटिव, सो दैट मीनिंग डज नॉट चेंज. इफ आई ओनली चेंज नाउन, हाउ इट विल बी रीमा इज मोर ब्यूटिफुल देन सीमा, विच इज एक्चुअली रॉन्ग. क्या है, सीमा इज मोर ब्यूटिफुल देन नाउन. सो दैट इज इफ आई इंटरचेंज द नाउन, आई हैव टू change from affirmative to negative so that meaning does not change. Now this sentence cannot be transformed into superlative. Why? Because we cannot compare with anybody else. It is not given in the question. It is only between two of them. So such sentence will be possible only in positive and comparative. So more beautiful says it is comparative, only beautiful says it is positive. Let's see one more example. Elder brother is stronger than younger brother. Stronger means it is comparative degree. Now here also elder brother, younger brother, two people are involved. So we cannot convert the sentence into superlative, but only from comparative to affirmative. But we will see that it will convert from affirmative to negative. Younger brother is not as strong as elder brother. See, younger brother इधर आ गया, elder brother इधर आ गया. Nouns I have interchanged. Then affirmative से क्या हो जाएगा, negative, so that meaning does not change. And adjective stronger से हो गया strong. Positive degree, comparative degree. So it makes younger brother is not as strong as elder brother. One more example. Ram is not as smart as Shyam. Now if you see, this is already negative. So when we interchange nouns, sentence will convert into affirmative. So this will become Shyam is smarter than Ram. Okay, here smart का smarter यानी positive degree का comparative degree में adjective भी transfer किया, and nouns also are interchanged, and affirmative में से sentence will be negative so that meaning does not change. So these were degrees of comparison, type 1, type 2, type 3. Okay. This is all. I hope you found this video useful and you liked it. Please share it with your friends if you like it, and do subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching this video.